Sin ti no me va bien, tampoco me va mal. Pase lo que pase, no te voy a llamar. Ya yo me quité.
What's up, guys? Back with another video. And today I'll be doing the Carolina Reaper popcorn with my friend
LilAntGSavage.
Are you ready?
Wow. Just like in 2 seconds it already started. Let's just see. Add a little bit of kick to it. A little bit of kick, a little bit of kick.
It's not that hot. See?
Wow.
Make sure you don't freaking touch your eyes with your penis.
I'm inhaling, like sucking in the air. Don't do that. Please don't do that. You eating hot stuff, please don't suck in air.
Don't go in the wrong hole. You remember you remember I was saying remember when we said we never do no more extreme challenges?
We live. Well, we'll do about anything. Almost.
I'm gonna cue in the clip. We could do more challenges like this, but not this extreme no more.
Not this challenge. No.
Look at that.
To be honest, the hot pepper challenge was more intimidating.
Yeah. There.
You should have smelled what? Should have smelled the microwave as soon as this was cooking.
I was coughing.
It smelled like pizza. Right down the wrong pipe.
Yeah. Oh, excuse me.
Well, guys, I'm done.
These are hot. I mean, spicy. Does it help? Does it help your
Like, it helps. Like, lemonade, like, immediately takes the burning away, but the burning comes back. So, like,
I know this because I did ate my hot sauce before. It was hot. And I drank some lemonade. I could kept on drinking it. It go down eventually.
to be honest, though, if you're really trying these challenges, you're really supposed to drink milk. Alright. Guys, let's see progress. So far, still burning. Intense burning.
God.
Extremely burning. There. Spit it out. Right?
Whoa.
It's already going down.
Oh yeah, does it make it fair? I've heard the same amount on.
Yeah, we really had the same amount, like half the bag and half the bag in both of these bowls, and I'm already done. Like I was done like 3-4 minutes ago.
Like 2 or 3 minutes. Ah! Oh God. You remember when we did the pepper challenge?
Yeah.
Oh, it was hot.
We speak factual. What?
Yeah, I am. I'm chilling.
Let me speak facts real quick about hot peppers and all that, okay? So, you know how you bite into a pepper, it's hot, right? Well, let me tell you something. The pepper is not actually hot. Your brain is actually tricked into thinking that your mouth is on fire. So that's why when you bite into a hot pepper, it's hot. Your mouth starts burning. It's actually your brain reacting to the pepper. My brain was just reacting almost normally.
What do you mean almost?
Almost normally, like any normal hot sauce. Except more intense.
Speaking of hot sauce, I'm gonna bring up mine for a challenge.
There's one thing I found disappointing though. So 3 years ago, I did this one thing where me and my friends, we had a bag of Takis. We had a big bag of Takis, right? So we grabbed Louisiana hot sauce and we poured it into the Takis bag, like all of it, like really, like the whole bottle, right? It was disappointing is that it made the Takis just mild. Mild. And I thought we was gonna have a burning sensation. I was so disappointed.
I'm just joking, guys. I'm not chilling. I'm burning. I mean, when my mouth is burning, I'm tearing up. My nose is dripping snot. Oh.
The only symptoms I really had was just sniffling. That's it.
I'm supposed to be good at this stuff.
Yeah, he eats a lot of hot, spicy food. A lot of it. And I just barely eat any of it. Like chicken, I don't put hot sauce on the chicken. I don't put hot sauce on the rib. Anything, I don't put hot sauce on. I don't put hot sauce on anything I eat. Well, now, the burning is finally gone from me.
Not from me, I'm still eating. Oh, God.
And he still has a lot to go. Unless you guys want me to eat the seeds, and I'm not doing that. Don't eat the seeds. That's very bad for you. Anyways, I know probably some of y'all gonna be like, "What? You're not gonna eat the seeds regardless? What are you talking about?" So just making sure everybody stays safe. Everybody knows what they're doing. Because not all people know how to eat food properly. Especially the ones in my school. Definitely don't know how to eat properly.
You want some more? Oh, God.
I did my fair share. Now you have to do your fair share. That's the reason why I finished so fast, because I ate multiple at a time. Mickey is just eating one by one. I ate about like 5 at a time. 5 at one time. Of course, there was some severe consequences with my lips burning, and every time I inhale air, my lungs would start filling with burning sensation. But at the end, you know, managed to wait it out. Took half a cup of lemonade and waited it out. My mouth is okay. My lips are burning like a little bit.
A little butt.
Little
butt.
Little bits. Little bits. But like, yeah, I'm alright, you know. Spicy foods isn't really my thing, but yeah, I'm used to it. For some reason, I'm used to it. I don't know why. I'm just used to it. You know what happens, bro? There won't be severe consequences, but you gotta get through it. I had to get through it, man.
No.
Are you dancing?
Yeah.
That's what happens when you get to the bottom of the bag. Well, actually, I had the bottom half of the bag, to be honest. Ricky had the upper part of the bag. I had the bottom part of the bag. Now, if you want to play a good prank on somebody, these popcorns would be the best to do it. This popcorn was a little hot, though. A little hot, though. I just wanted to get this over with.
You know what? You know what, guys? Next challenge will be a spicy challenge. Oh God. I'm gonna make a barbecue next year. And we're gonna use my hot sauce, the 6.6 million hot sauce, and it's over units, and we're gonna eat wings. I'm almost done, guys. Finally. I feel like you've been done for like 10 minutes already. We are almost, I mean, he completed the challenge. I need to be the second one to complete it.
You good, man?
Yeah, I'm good. Guys, I'm almost done. Really? Really, Anthony?
Alright, I have to show some support.
Okay. Guys, pieces. It's all gone. The relief. That was burning again. God damn.
I'm just not gonna go away that fast. Well, that was good. A little challenge.
good little challenge. Crazy. Yeah. It wasn't that hot. Oh, yeah.
Y'all make sure to tell y'all people to follow me on Instagram as well. I'm trying to get to 1,000 followers. That's my goal. Hey, bro, y'all get me to 1,000 followers, though. Get me to 1,000 followers, bro. I be bored on Instagram.
I'm trying to get more followers on my first account.
Well,
So yeah, I hope y'all had some laughs about me hurting. And even though he finished way before I did.
there were some funny moments. There was some funny moments during the video.
So yeah, catch y'all in the next video.